What's up, guys? It is Troll Gamer here for you guys.
Instead of doing the Game Beast video, we had a couple technical difficulties with that, so we just decided to do a July special, which is COD.
Well, I mean, we're gonna do a bunch of firearm stuff throughout the month, so
we're gonna do COD, a little bit of Fortnite, Red Dead Redemption, but mostly COD.
or no, not Red Dead Redemption, because I still have to, fix that stuff. So let's so the first video is gonna be COD.
The second video, what?
I don't know. Let's just hop into the video.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, we're doing the map. Yeah. Doing the prison.
Through this 50 times already. And we'll go through it another 50 if that's what it takes. 9:30. Lights out. God begins his rounds.
It's a cutscene, not a music.
I mean, there is music in this.
Oh, right. Oh, crap. I can't. Okay.
Yeah, I skipped it. Who am I?
I don't know. Pick who you want to be.
Oh, I'm this one. I'm the... Whoa. Who am I?
Alright, everyone. Let's get,
Don't worry. I thought you just appeared right out of that truck.
Oh yeah, just telling you, we have another person with us if you're asking.
Yeah. Alright, so the first objective is to go to laundry and get everything set up for that.
I wish they had like actual objectives on the screen.
No, that wouldn't be...
I think it would look pretty cool. How do y'all already have 700 points while I'm still at 500?
Because you're not fighting.
Well, there's no zombies for me to fight
If we
because
want to check out,
y'all are
do it here.
Then pick it up and fight.
dead.
Okay. Hey, Weasel, where you at? Weasel, hey, over here.
What you want?
Anyone thinking about
Hey,
checking
what's
out?
up,
I
man?
just found the right spot.
Let's get moving.
Yeah. Your eyes on the floor. What do you think you're doing?
What do you think you're doing, buddy? Alright. This is easy stuff right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got this covered.
Yeah, totally.
Alright, well,
Yo, bro, get this. Turn the power on. We need this.
no. Hold on. Give me a sec. I need this opened.
Where even are you? Oh, probably up there.
What?
All right, goofballs. You're in deep shit now.
Come on, let's go.
There, that should make up for it. Alright.
Oh, I got a key. I got a key.
Alright, let's
Go to the basement.
no, not yet. Oh crap. Watch out, bro. You alright?
Yeah, I got the key. We can't lose this.
Well, what are we supposed to do now?
Just don't look at me.
Okay, anyway. Come at me.
Right out like Billy would.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's go.
Alright. Now that we have the warden's key, we can open up that door, and we gotta get the power on.
This isn't happening anytime soon.
Hey, wait a minute, I can break this glass.
No, you can't. Why are you wasting ammo?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, I said not to look
We
at
need to get the power on. I volunteer. Hold on, let me
Wait, I need another good gun. Whoa.
let me get a good one.
Yeah, I need a good gun.
I need something right now.
All right, I got a gun.
Don't touch me, you fucking pussy-looking bastard.
Dang it, I need 1,200. Yes.
Leave me all out.
Dang, bro.
I got jumped.
By who?
No, I can revolt myself.
Willy Whackmocker?
I revolt myself.
Yeah, let's
I'll
go.
make do with this.
Alright. Whoa, buddy.
I'm gonna start up the generator.
Alright, yeah, hurry
Or
up.
not
and
the
start-
generator, but the thing.
Yeah, you hurry up and start that up. So, like,
Power's on.
you ready
Yeah.
for the thing to be powered on?
Let's do it.
Are you sure?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's kill this guy.
Let's kill the, what? The Guardian?
Here we go.
Here he comes.
Come here, boy.
Where's the...
Oh, he's over here. Fire on him. Fire.
Oh, he's right. Oh, I'm scared. I never wanted to be in this prison.
Oh. Dang it.
Sorry, I'm reloading.
Behind you. Behind you.
Oh, dang. Dang, bruh. Yo, bro.
Help. Bro, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, revive yourself and then revive me. Help! I'm dying over here. I'm dying over here. Oh my
Oh,
gosh!
my knees. Oh, my knees. I'll revive him, bro.
Teaching them the value of
The warden was.
Oh no!
No, I'm gonna die. Oh,
Alright, GG's.
yeah, well, we're not ending the video here.
Yeah, we're not ending this.
Dang, I only got 6 kills.
I got 24.
And, Low Gamer 7070 got 41.
Yeah.
40?
Okay. Try this again.
Let's try this again.
Hey, Sal, we must have been through this 50 times already. But we'll go through it another 50.
Y'all can
That's
look
what
at
it
this
takes.
cutscene on YouTube.
9:30.
Yeah.
Lights out.
I like this cutscene though. Super fun.
Maybe if we weren't gonna get copyright strike, we would've. Is this me? I'm the Weasel. I'm the Weasel. What's up? What's up? I'm the Weasel. Hey, yo, bro. Bruh.
Let's do it.
Where's my friend? Bruh. Guys.
Hey, man. Crazy as it sounds, I think
We gotta lock in.
switches to get out
Bruh.
of our body.
Bruh.
Skibbity toilet on Obama.
Okay, bro. No. You can't. You can't become Brain Rot, bruh.
Yo, this guy has a white t-shirt.
He looks jacked.
Regular Ryan over here.
Yeah, how about you take those boards off for me?
What? These are my zombies now.
No.
Yeah, mine.
Fine, then these are mine.
All yours. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I cleared up the window.
Sure, whatever. Whatever, man.
Yeah, how about you be a good boy and get those zombies?
What?
What?
Okay, buddy.
What? I'm saying. Power. The beautiful
We
power.
gotta shock ourselves.
The power. Let's do this.
You're gonna get fucked up good.
These are my zombies. Hey, these are my zombies.
There's like weird looking holes in some of the walls.
Where's the key?
Shut up.
And if I don't,
Man, I oughta
Sal,
whack you.
Sal.
Let's go.
If we don't get that, if we don't get that key, I'm gonna crash out.
We don't have to anymore. We're all dead.
I'm down.
No, you're not down, you stupid.
This I am, please help me. Man, you wouldn't even revive your own teammate.
You weren't down. If you were down, you would be yelling and screaming.
I'm down. I'm down.
I'm almost out of life.
Uh-oh. I might be out of lead soon.
And I might be out of bullets. Oh wait, I am.
Yeah, you are. Figure it out.
Watch out.
Watch out!
Shit, no bullets. Those fools lit up like the 4th of July.
Let's go.
Alright. What do we do now? Oh. Is there?
I don't know why I just wasted mine.
What now, Weasel?
Nothing. There's zombies up there.
Oh yeah. Eat it. Eat it.
Just eat it, buddy. Kaboof.
Okay, someone open this door to the infirmary.
What? Thousand showers.
Someone open this door to the infirmary. I'm not asking again.
And why should I open it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Man, whatever. You opened it anyway.
What now? We're gonna get to the roof?
Probably. If we had the warden's key, maybe we would have gotten there already.
Was not my fault. You warden's key. Oh, come on.
Yeah, stupid. Maybe get a job first.
At least I'm not the one that was been here for the longest.
Man, I don't care.
I got a part. No. Get away.
Put your filthy paws on me.
Ah,
Dang.
help me. Oh, I didn't need help. Die. Die.
Let's make these bullets count,
Oh. I'm on the roof. I'm free. I'm free.
No, you won't. Activate the door.
What door?
Activate the door.
Oh, right. Ah!
Okay, you got it. goodness.
Come on, let's get out of here.
So how do we get off the island now?
Through the door, idiot.
I don't think there's a way off.
Oh. Yeah, we need the parts.
Oh my god.
Yo, we need the parts. And one of the parts are in the showers.
What?
Yeah,
What are you even talking about?
one of the parts are in the showers.
What are you talking about?
Hey, just play nice.
I'm out of here.
No zombies in here. Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Hello, I'm scared. Wait, I'm 16 years old. I'm at 30. Stay away.
Boogity, boogity, boogity. Boogity, boogity.
No!
Looks like we just bought ourselves some time.
Where are y'all?
Big spooky little hole.
Oh my gosh, there's a warden.
Where?
There's a warden on the roof.
He left on my way back.
Crap. We need fire support over here.
Well, I'm gonna die if I don't.
Some freaky shit around here you can't always see. This ain't nothing to do to me.
No! Help me! Help!
That's it, bro.
Bring it on.
I can't.
Bro.
Wait, we got the guns and we got the bombs.
He's coming up. Be careful. Shoot him. Shoot him or something. Shoot. Oh, dang.
No! I'm dead. I can't take this anymore.
Oh! Alright, we almost made it. GG's.
Let's do the barn. Or the bus.
Guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's
not
video.
for today's video. We're gonna do more videos today.
That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, sub, and notify yourself.
For more content like this. And we'll see you all in
And
the
share
next
this video with a friend if you enjoyed this sort of content. And with all that being said,
we'll see you all in the next video.